Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Needles and Yarn. My name is Donna. This is my very first new video channel and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the journey and where this will lead. And I'm excited for all of those that have taken or is taking the same journey and are at the same spot that I am in now. This channel is all about crocheting. We will be sharing or showing our work like a show and tell session, and we will also be doing tutorials and vlogging. I have created a Facebook page that will allow us another avenue of communicating and sharing information and ideas. That link to my Facebook page is in the description box, so I would very much like for you to go in and join that page so we can further the conversation. I also would like for you to like, subscribe, and comment below. And please do subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel, and again, I'm excited about it, and I'm looking forward to the conversations. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.